Why is it that nearly every country on Earth has its own version of McDonald's? And how did we go from burgers being a backyard barbecue treat to a global symbol of American culture? Hey there, Speedy. Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna be taking a deep dive into the history of fast food and how it became such an iconic part of American culture. Don't forget to stick around until the end of the video to find out what the future of fast food might look like. The origins of fast food can be traced back to the early 20th century when the first fast food chains began to pop up across America. One of the earliest examples was White Castle, which opened its doors in the 1920s and offered customers burgers and fries in a quick and efficient manner. But it wasn't until after World War II that fast food really started to take off. This was due to several factors, including the rise of industrialization, which made it possible to produce and distribute food more quickly than ever before. Another factor that contributed to the popularity of fast food was the growth of the middle class, which meant that people had more disposable income to spend on eating out. Additionally, the invention of new cooking technologies such as the deep fryer allowed restaurants to cook food faster and more efficiently. Perhaps most importantly, though, was the introduction of franchising as a business model. This allowed entrepreneurs to invest in a proven concept with a strong brand identity and replicate it in different locations. This led to the rapid expansion of fast food chains across the United States. Some of the most iconic brands we know today, such as McDonald's, Burger King, and KFC, all got their start in this post-war era. By the 1950s, these chains were popping up everywhere, often in the suburbs where new shopping centers were being built. This was a time when families were looking for affordable, convenient meal options, and fast food chains were happy to oblige. But fast food wasn't just about convenience and affordability. It also came to be seen as a symbol of the American dream. In a culture that values hard work, efficiency, and upward mobility, fast food represented a quick and easy way to get a job and achieve success. This was especially true for young people who were drawn to the promise of making good money with minimal experience or education. By the 1960s, fast food had become so ingrained in American culture that it was even starting to make an appearance in pop culture. Movies, TV shows, and songs began to feature fast food joints as a backdrop for teen hangouts and first dates. Advertisers were quick to capitalize on this trend, and some of the most memorable commercials from this era featured catchy jingles and memorable characters that have become part of American folklore. Of course, not everyone was a fan of fast food. Some saw it as a threat to traditional family meals and a symbol of the growing fast-paced lifestyle that was becoming more and more prevalent in American culture. Nevertheless, fast food continued to grow in popularity and eventually went global. As American fast food chains expanded internationally, they often had to adapt to local cuisines and tastes. For example, in India, where beef is not commonly eaten, KFC replaced beef with chicken, and in Japan, where fried chicken is very popular, KFC often has lines out the door and down the block. While American fast food has been praised for its affordability and convenience abroad, it has also been criticized for its impact on local cultures and its contribution to health problems such as obesity. Today, there is a growing movement away from processed foods and towards more natural and organic options. This has led to a backlash against fast food in some circles and has inspired documentaries such as Super Size Me, which explored the health effects of eating nothing but McDonald's food for an extended period of time. Despite this criticism, fast food remains popular and continues to evolve. In recent years, we've seen the rise of fast casual restaurants such as Chipotle and Panera, which offer more customizable and higher quality food than traditional fast food chains. Additionally, fast food chains are continuing to innovate when it comes to technology, with many offering mobile apps that allow customers to order ahead or skip the line altogether. Some chains are even experimenting with delivery robots that bring food directly to customers' cars. While the future of fast food is uncertain, one thing is clear: American fast food culture has come a long way from its humble beginnings. What started as a quick and convenient way to get a burger and a milkshake has evolved into a global phenomenon that has shaped our ideas about food, culture, and the American dream. So there you have it, a quick and delicious history of fast food. Thank you for watching. What do you think the future of fast food looks like?